Good day, everyone. It's me again, and I apologize for not having made too many videos recently, but this is going to be a quick video showing you the basics of Windows 7 Windows XP mode. For those of you that don't know, basically, when Windows 7 comes out, Windows 7 Professional and Ultimate will be supporting a downloadable feature called Windows XP Mode, which is basically a hardware-based virtualization of Windows XP in Windows 7. So you can run any programs that aren't immediately runnable on Windows XP because of some kind of software clash, some kind of incompatibility. Any of those programs you can run on or within this Windows XP virtualization. So just to get started, installing it is so easy. I'm not even going to show you. You basically just go to the Windows site, the Windows XP Mode site on the Microsoft webpage. You simply download the virtualization software, and then you download the Windows XP package. Then you install it. The grand total is about 500 megabytes of download. That's pretty good for entire OS virtualization. And when you install that, the entire Windows XP mode will be installed. Then once you finish installing it, you can go to the Start menu, All Programs, go down to the Windows Virtual PC, and open up Windows XP mode. And it'll take a second for the virtual machine to boot up. Once it does, bam, you're done. And what happens is that you can see that this is actually just a window that's virtualizing Windows XP. And this, once again, this isn't software-based. This is actually hardware-based virtualization. So the processor itself is processing this as a different operating system. So really, this helps because it removes a lot of incompatibilities. There are a lot of software-based virtualizations of operating systems that have a lot of incompatibilities because they're software-based, not hardware-based. So basically, you have a fully functional Windows XP mode running here. But the coolest thing is that once you install a program within this virtualization, for example, I've installed Mozilla Firefox here, what you can do is then run it as a Windows XP program outside in Windows 7 as an independent XP window. So, for example, let's do this. I'm going to minimize this and go to the Start menu. If you go back to that Virtual PC folder, go down to the XP Mode Applications, you can go down and here you can see Mozilla Firefox Windows XP Mode. If I click here, first you'll have to close the Virtual PC. Unfortunately, you can only have the entire Virtual PC or just the virtual window, one of the two. But once you have it here, you can see that I have the Mozilla Firefox running here as an XP window. Now obviously the arrow snaps and stuff doesn't work because this actually isn't a Windows 7 window, it's actually a Windows XP window. And then if I open up a Windows a 7 window, you can see here that there's a difference in themes and there's a difference in overall the actual program itself, because this is the XP version and the other one is the Windows 7 version. So basically, for example, a lot of enterprises, they were hesitant to go over to Vista because of all the bad press, so they never actually made a Vista or a Windows 7 version of anything. So basically, this is to help companies or businesses that want to upgrade to a better OS, Windows 7, but want to make sure, sort of have that security that anything that does not work, they will be able to run within Windows XP mode itself until the compatibility patch comes out. This way, any businesses that want to upgrade can upgrade. Once a lot of businesses start to upgrade, there will be a lot of push on the marketplace for a Windows 7 version for any program that really doesn't have it yet. I'm thinking about my father. He has a lot of enterprise software that really doesn't work on Vista or 7. When he tried out XP mode, 99% of all of them worked, except for some that don't like virtualization. But that's all built into the software. They actually have it so that it stops from being virtualized. But that itself will be solved once Windows 7 itself comes out. So I encourage all of you to try this out. It's really cool. Just go down to the Microsoft website. You can just Google Windows 7 mode, Windows XP mode, download it and install it. Try it for yourself. If you haven't tried Windows 7, I think it's too late to download the RC. I'm sure you can find it somewhere though. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll get a lot of cool videos like this one. If you have any questions, comment below. And thanks. Have a nice day.